Attention all the student of second year for professional development subject. I am taking today the topic number 2, that is learning content number 2. This is based on healthy mind. The points to be discussed in this particular topic: healthy mind, negative characteristics mind such as negative self-worth, anxiety, depression, worriness, judgmental thoughts towards others, lack of inherent happiness, methods of reduce them, need and benefits of mindfulness and meditation practice, of methods of meditation and mindfulness and meditation. So this today's topic is totally based on mind. Empty mind is devil yourself. ये फ्रेज बोलते इंग्लिश में कई बार, खाली दिमाग शैतान का घर. सो माइंडफुलनेस और healthy mind. If a mind continuously think negative things regarding life, regarding all the things surrounding us, always having a negative approach, so that mind is not said to be healthy. We should always think positive. Negative में भी positive खोज लेना, ये एक हेल्दी माइंड की प्रॉपर्टी है. तो हेल्दी माइंड आपका तभी रहेगा जब आपके थॉट्स हेल्दी रहेंगे. माइंड कंसंट्रेशन, इन यस्टरडे लेक्चर आई हैव गिवन मेथड्स ऑफ प्राणायाम in which you concentrate on your breathing, and by concentration on your breathing you can easily concentrate your mind in the direction in whichever you like. So many times 99% people are having negative minds. Our mind is easily attracted towards the negative types of accidents or negative types of any type of problems arises surrounding to us. Our mind is very easy to catch the negativity. So problem is that how we can reduce this negativity. Negativity is coming from the thoughts. If your thoughts are continuously negative, then negativity will be developed in your mind. So I have seen many person who have always having negative approach. उनको कितना भी अच्छा positive response अपन दो या positive thoughts we communicate to them, but they always think negative. So I am telling you one story in which there was two sons of a father. One has complete negative mind, negativity, and one have a positivity in mind. So what happened? On the festival of Deepavali, father worried about both the son. One is extreme positive and one is extreme negative mind. So father worries about extreme negative mind son. So what he has done on that festival, that in one room he provide all the happiness given types of things like sweets, toys and all other type of items which are required for happiness. They are kept in the room of the son who has have negative mind or always thinks negative, and in other son who is always think positive, in his room he has put the the lead of the this horse. So both the rooms are completely filled with good things and bad things. But thing is that it is cross, means those the son have positive mentality. He always think positive in everything. He think positive. So things are kept that I have told you horse potty. It is put in the complete room of that particular son. And the son who is always think negative, his room he has put all the crackers, toys, sweets and number of things. So he enjoy that. And then he informed to the son that you go to your room and check what I have given you the things for the celebrating this Deepavali festival. So when he has gone to positive negative thinking son in his room, so he has questioned to his father that why you have brought all these things for me. You know मिठाई खाने से पेट खराब होता है और ये आप जो टॉयज लाए इस टॉयज में कितना मैकेनिकल पार्ट है कि उससे हाथ में लग जाएगी तो ब्लड आ जाएगा. So in every item which was put in this negative thinking son, he has created a lot of problems with his father for denying all these things to use. In everything he has find some error, some mistake, something like that. So father again depressed that this son cannot be improved. His total mentality is negative. अच्छी चीज में भी उसको सब नेगेटिव दिख रहा है. Then he has gone to the second son who is always think positive. So he has find that that boy was playing with that particular lead of horse. So father asked him that what are you doing? So son says that पापा अगर इतनी सारी लीद भरी है इस घर में मेरे कमरे में तो मैं ढूंढ रहा हूँ कि घोड़ा भी कहीं ना कहीं इस कमरे में होगा. सो दिस इज व्हाट ए पर्सन थिंकिंग दैट पॉजिटिव इन ऑल थिंग इज नेगेटिव बट इन दैट ही हैज फाइंड आउट ए पॉजिटिव थिंग्स. सो मेंटेलिटी ऑफ द पर्सन हैज टोल्ड दैट हेल्दी माइंड. तो हेल्दी माइंड टोटली डिपेंड्स ऑन योर थॉट्स. इफ योर थॉट्स आर गुड, thoughts are always positive, then positive energy will start flowing through your body and all surroundings peoples are also impressed by your that particular aura. A positivity when person have in mind, then his aura आसपास जो aura बनता body के, that will become also positive. So it will radiate positive radiation from your body. So those people who are thinking positive or those who are thinking positive in their life, they people are automatically attracted towards you and definitely you will find happiness with talking with such people. And if a person who is emitting negative energy from his body by the aura, by thinking of his mind, then you will find that you will feel yourself uneasy to sit with this type of person. So negative effect also create in the body and in the aura of the body, and that will repel the peoples who are having this type of property. So here in the subject matter, when we discuss healthy mind, negative characteristic of mind such as negative self-worth. Negative self-worth means, as I have told you, 99% people having a negative self-worth, means always think negative. Any message given to them, first they find the negative thing in that message. So this is a negative worth of the mind in which persons think always negative, and even the positive news given to him, they try to find some negative news in that. So this is a negative worth of the mind that always there in the 99% peoples. I think I just go across number of students, they are always, if I talk about mind or their mind status, then always they talk the negative things. So why it is so? It is the property of the mind that it always attract negative thing fast, and if positive things are created or indulge in the mind, they will not accept it. कभी भी आपने किसी व्यक्ति को ये सुना नहीं होगा कि वो ये बोलता हो कि मैं आज बहुत खुश हूँ. Never. Every time people are just giving their life problems to other, discuss life problems to other, because negativity is in their mind. Why the student not think or the person not think that I am happy today? Many times after one time he can say, not by his heart but artificially he say I am happy. But in that also negativity is there. So positivity of the mind or positivity creation in the mind, it depends upon your thoughts. So you always think positive. Whatever thing is our day-to-day life, the things are go on happening. But if you minutely observe everything, then you are catching the mind of the negative things. Today, if you go on the social site or social networking sites, lot of news regarding this corona problem. Number of people are giving negative things on the WhatsApp or other YouTubes or other type of the social media. So why it is so? Because people are enjoying that negative property, that to create fears in the mind of the peoples, they are created such type of news in which they are giving the negative part of that. I have seen only one or two video people are uploading that is having some positive news regarding this today problems which is going on. So why it is so? Because people enjoy thinking negative, and people also enjoy that giving negative thoughts to others. This is the big problem. So the topic which I am discussing, it is having more stress on healthy mind. So healthy mind will be only one thing is there. You go for pranayam, 5 to 10 minutes daily. You concentrate on your breath, and you induce the positive energy from the cosmos. मतलब ब्रह्मांड से आप पॉजिटिव एनर्जी को अट्रैक्ट करिए अपनी तरफ, देन योर थॉट्स विल बिकम पॉजिटिव. एंड इन एवरी एक्शन और एवरी पर्टिकुलर टाइप ऑफ हैपनिंग्स इन द डेली लाइफ, you always think positive and try to find out the positive component of that particular happenings. So this will be what that you will find, that if positive thoughts will be created, it will be summing up in your mind and your mentality become positive. But it required lot of practice, and that practice can be done by meditation. Meditation you can do for half an hour, 1 hour as per your capacity. And simple method of meditation I have given you at pranayam, in which you just concentrate on your breath, coming breath and going breath, without any intention. उस पर कोई इंटेंशन नहीं रखना आपको कि जल्दी जल्दी सांस लेना है या धीरे धीरे लेना है. नेचुरल वे में जैसी आपकी जो ब्रीदिंग हो रही है, दैट ब्रीदिंग यू शुड कंसंट्रेट ऑन योर ब्रीदिंग बाय कीपिंग योर आई क्लोज एंड थिंक दैट योर ब्रीथ कमिंग इन and going out, coming in, going out. these particular things you continuously think for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, then increase the time to 15 minutes, half an hour. This is called vipassana. विपස්සना मतलब अपने आप को देखना. जब आप अपने आप को एनालिसिस करोगे तो ये सबसे सिंपल मेथड है जो कि भगवान बुद्ध ने सबसे पहले दी है मानवता को, टू फ्री फ्रॉम स्ट्रेस. So if you go for this particular type of meditation, vipassana meditation, then positivity in your mind will increase. So here two things he has discussed, that depression and anxiety. Anxiety का मतलब होता है चिंता करना, किसी बात को लेकर अपन चिंतित रहते हैं. स्टूडेंट्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से अपन डिस्कस कर रहे हैं जैसे ये टॉपिक. So number of students always they are in anxiety. Anxiety means चिंता करते हैं वो घर की, पढ़ाई की, सराउंडिंग की, फाइनेंशियल एंड their living standard, comparison with other people's. So these all things will they create anxiety in the mind. और चिंता से आदमी को कभी भी सुकून नहीं मिलता दिमाग में. और ऑलवेज ही थिंक अबाउट समथिंग दैट दिस थिंग इज गोइंग रॉन्ग विथ मी, दिस थिंग इज रॉन्ग विथ मी. इफ एंजाइटी इज क्रिएटेड इन माइंड फॉर वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम, देन इट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू डिप्रेशन. डिप्रेशन मीन्स अवसाद. अवसाद मतलब ऐसी स्थिति आ जाती है कि पीपुल्स में थिंक्स टू सुसाइड. नंबर ऑफ सुसाइड committed by the peoples, it is under depression condition, and this depression condition is created a spike in your mind for 5 to 10 seconds in which person take decision to suicide. And if his mind is diverted in that particular 5 to 10 second time by any way, then he will be happy and he will his mind is turned from that particular thought of suicide. One man was very puzzled from his life because he was unemployed. He was not getting anything in life, so he was completely depressed. So he thinks to go for suicide. So he was gone to the sea, कि वो समुद्र में डूब के मर जाए, ऐसे करके उसने अपने दिमाग में सोचा. But his habit was smoking. So he was just travel all around the beach of the sea. He could not find any particular shop of that cigarette or smoking outlet. So his mind is just turned that I am unemployed and I am thinking for smoking, and here there is no shop at all on the whole beach. There is no shop of pan or cigarette. So his mind is just diverted immediately, and he thought that I should put a shop of pan or cigarette on this beach so that peoples like me when come, then they can get cigarette. So this is what a negative thoughts of depression. It is converted into positive thought within 5 to 10 minutes in which he want to smoke. And he could not get cigarette on the beach. So he thought that I should start a shop of pan on the beach so that nobody will suffer like me. So this is again happen in the mind, and his mind is turned like this. So in the depression state, always it is there. If you are coming under depression state after long anxiety, बहुत दिनों की एंजाइटी अगर आपके दिमाग में भरी है, उससे अगर आप डिप्रेशन में चले गए हैं, तो आप ये सोचें कि डिप्रेशन की जो लास्ट स्टेज है दैट इज सुसाइड, एंड दैट सुसाइड इज कमिटेड विद इन 10 to 15 सेकंड टाइम. ब्रेन इज सो accumulated with negative thoughts and depression that person take decision to take suicide, to go for suicide. If in this 10 to 15 minutes time, if person's mind is diverted by any way, then you will find that it can be avoided. So normally those people go for suicide, they are going to hang themselves from the fan, Either they can take some poisonous thing or like the number of ways are there, and jump from the building and all that. But at that time somebody is with them, so they always protected from this thing. That's why those peoples are suffering from depression. They go to psychiatrists, and psychiatric always suggest to the parents or the family person कि ये बंदे को आप अकेला मत छोड़ना कभी, इसको डिप्रेशन, डीप डिप्रेशन है और ये कभी भी इस टाइप की एक्शन ले सकता है अपनी लाइफ में. सो यू ऑलवेज somebody should be with this person in the home or wherever he is traveling or going. So one person should be with this person. So commitment of suiciding activity, it can be limited or it can be totally avoided if the one person is always there with a person who is under depression. Doctor also prescribes some medicine to reduce depression. And depression is not a disease type things. It can be recovered. Persons are recovered from depression by positive thinking, and they are exercising meditations and vipassana. So they come out of that depression. When you come out of depression, then state of anxiety will again come. So you try to reduce the anxiety. A simple rule is there: if you are facing negative thoughts daily, then whatever negative thoughts come, you drop it. Again you think positive. Again in your mind automatically negative thoughts will come, you drop it and go for positive. So continuously if you do that dropping of the negative thoughts, जहाँ से शुरू हुआ उसको वहीं खत्म कर दिया, जहाँ से फिर शुरू हुआ फिर खत्म कर दिया. So when you continuously do this dropping of the negative thoughts, then your mind will be healthy and you will be away from the anxiety and depression. Worriness, क्लास नहीं लग रही है, कोरोना पीरियड में कॉलेज नहीं जा पा रहे हैं, घर पे पढ़ने की इच्छा नहीं हो रही है, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में भी इंटरेस्ट नहीं आ रहा है. दिस टाइप ऑफ things, worries in your mind nowadays, I think happening in minds of every student, because our basic nature is there, we want to enjoy, and nowadays all peoples are close in the house. How they can pass their time? The student can pass their time by attending these online lectures and watching the video on the subjects. So they can up to some extent are passing their time, but how much time we can pass alone? This is again a creation of the depression. It is observed that after this lockdown, number of persons are gone under depression because of this problem. Loneliness, अकेलापन आदमी को बहुत ज़्यादा डिप्रेस और एंजाइटी में ले जाता है. तो आप अपने इंटरेस्ट के हिसाब से देखिए माइंड के कि आप कौन सी चीज़ आपको सुकून देती है, विच पर्टिकुलर एक्टिविटी ब्रिंग हैप्पीनेस इन योर माइंड और इन योर लाइफ. सो यू ट्राई टू परफॉर्म दोज एक्टिविटीज. हियर लेक ऑफ इनहेरेंट हैप्पीनेस, ये एक पॉइंट दिया है इसने. तो लेक ऑफ इनहेरेंट ऑफ हैप्पीनेस, ये मैं पहले ही बोल चुका हूँ आपको कि 99% लोगों का दिमाग निगेटिव ही चलेगा, तो हैप्पीनेस आएगी कहाँ से? तो निगेटिव थॉट्स जब भी आपके माइंड में आए, आप उसको तुरंत ड्रॉप कर दीजिए. यू जस्ट डाइवर्ट योर माइंड फ्रॉम दैट सब्जेक्ट, एंड व्हेन यू डाइवर्ट योर माइंड फ्रॉम दैट सब्जेक्ट, सो दैट पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक इज ओवर. व्हाट वाज यू थिंकिंग नेगेटिव, come to positive, think positive. So again after some time you will go in negative zone. So whenever you go, your mind go in negative zone, you try to convert it or divert it to positive zone. And positive zone means whatever your good habits are there for happiness, whatever you are doing with your friends, you remember those things. Whatever your school life, good moments of your school life, you think on that, you will automatically convert it, divert your negative feelings to positive feeling. So these are the some tips I am giving to you, that whatever things happen in your life, due to which you become very happy. Those particular moments you think again and again whenever you go in negative thoughts. Bring those positive thoughts or happiness moment in your life which past is always happy, ऐसा बोलते हैं. जो हो टाइम जो निकल गया ना वो हमेशा सुखद रहता है. आप सोचो भले ही उसमें आपने कितनी परेशानी उठाई हो तो आपको अच्छा लगेगा पास्ट. अभी जैसे ये फर्स्ट वेव आई थी कोरोना की, तो आज हम सोचते हैं यार वो कितनी अच्छी थी, उसमें ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम नहीं था. अभी ये सेकंड वेव चली जाएगी, इसके बाद हम फिर सोचेंगे कि हाँ यार अच्छा टाइम निकल गया सब. सो पास्ट इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. So many times if you have a negative thoughts in your mind, you come to positive thoughts by remembering the moments of your happiness which you have passed in your past life. So this will decrease your lack in inherent happiness. Methods to reduce them, ये मैंने बता दी मेथड यही है. You go to past, feel the moments of happiness in your life. ऐसा तो है नहीं कि आप जन्म से ही दुखी हो. बहुत सारे चांस तुम्हारे लाइफ में आए हैप्पीनेस जब तुमने बहुत इंजॉय किया है. तो कभी भी निगेटिव थॉट्स आए तो यू गो फॉर दैट हैप्पीनेस मोमेंट्स एंड रिमेंबर देम, एंड ऑटोमेटिकली यू फील दैट योर पॉजिटिविटी इन माइंड इज स्टार्ट इंक्रीजिंग एंड यू आर escaping from this anxiety and depression. So need and benefits of माइंडफुलनेस. और माइंडफुलनेस की नीड क्या है? जैसे मैंने बोला था कि खाली दिमाग शैतान का घर. अगर आप कुछ भी नहीं है दिमाग में और बैठे फालतू की चीज़ सोच रहे हैं तो इसका मतलब तुम्हारा दिमाग खाली है. माइंड इज टोटली एम्प्टी. सो ही हैज सेड you bring mindfulness. How you will bring mindfulness? So there are so many things. You start reading your course books. If you bored from your course book, take some other books for study. Watch the TV. Nowadays mobile is there, number of games they are uploaded in different website of this mobile. So many students I have seen, they start games like PUBG and all that. So why it is increasing towards that? इट इज़ ए माइंडफुलनेस कि खाली दिमाग करें क्या, चलो ये पर्टिकुलर गेम डाउनलोड कर लिया और वो गेम आप प्ले कर रहे हैं. काफ़ी टाइम आपका उसमें निकल जाता है. पर ऑल द टाइम अगर आप खेलते रहेंगे तो पढ़ेंगे कब? सो दिस इज ऑल्सो बिग प्रॉब्लम. सो वेन एवर यू गो अंडर एम्प्टी माइंड कंडीशन, जब आपका दिमाग खाली हो और लग रहा है कि क्या करें, जब ऐसा दिमाग में क्वेश्चन आए क्या करें, you start download the games from the mobile, or you see some movie of your choice on the TV, or you read the book, whatever book you like, or play some game. But today game playing is not possible because we are alone living in our house. So discuss the things with your family, time spent with your family, that will fulfill your mind. सो ये जो माइंडफुलनेस की बात जो कर रहा है ये, तो ये इसीलिए है कि आपका माइंड कभी फ्री नहीं रहे. अब मेडिटेशन, प्रैक्टिस ऑफ मेथड्स, माइंडफुलनेस एंड मेडिटेशन. सो ये मेडिटेशन भी एक पर्टिकुलर एक्टिविटी है जो मैंने अभी बताई आपको, विपस्सना पद्धति. उसमें विपस्सना में आपको कुछ नहीं करना. अगर आप माइंडलेस हो और यू आर एम्प्टी माइंड हो तो उस केस में आप सिंपली आंख बंद करके बैठ जाओ और थिंक दैट यू आर ब्रीदिंग कम इन एंड गोइंग आउट, ब्रीदिंग कम इन एंड गोइंग आउट. ओनली कंसंट्रेट ऑन दैट. सो दिस विल इंक्रीज योर मेमोरी पावर and also the mindfulness will be there. So negative thoughts will be deleted from your mind and positive thoughts will start coming in your mind. So once again I read the points he is given, because all these things can be practically done when the students meet with the teacher. Then only this is possible. Otherwise guidance I have given to you according to points given in this. Healthy mind, नेगेटिव कैरेक्टरिस्टिक माइंड सच एज नेगेटिव सेल्फ वर्थ, ये मैंने बता दिया. 99% लोगों में नेगेटिव सेल्फ वर्थ रहती है माइंड की. तो always you try to turn it by thinking the positive thoughts. Then he has said anxiety and depression. I have explained you what is anxiety and depression. Then worriness in judgmental thoughts. समटाइम क्या होता है कि जब अपने थॉट्स निगेटिव रहते हैं तो अपन किसी चीज़ को जज भी करते हैं तो निगेटिव थॉट्स से करते हैं तो उसके रिजल्ट निगेटिव आते हैं. तो आपकी जो जजमेंटल थॉट्स है वहाँ पे भी आपकी निगेटिव थॉट्स को ओवरकम नहीं करने देना है. यू हैव टू थिंक प्रॉपरली, sit for few minutes simply without talking to anyone, only concentrate on your mind, and then you give the judgment of any problem which is coming in your life, or somebody ask to you some problem solution, then you don't give the solution under stage of stress. So first you become stress free your mind, and then you think on the problem, and then you give the judgment. So this is the meaning of that judgmental thoughts towards others. So ये दूसरों के प्रति भी अपनी भावनाएं होती है, गलत भावना रहती. कई बार अपन कंफ्यूजन में या गलत फहमी जिसे बोलते हैं उसमें अपन किसी के प्रति कोई ओपिनियन फॉर्म कर लेते हैं, एंड दैट ओपिनियन क्रिएट लॉट ऑफ टाइम इन माइंड द बैड इम्प्रेशन रिगार्डिंग दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्सन, एंड वी ऑलवेज थिंक कि इसको मैं कैसे निपटाऊं, ये भावना आ जाती है. दिस इज़ वाई, बिकॉज ऑफ एनी टाइप ऑफ गलतफहमी, जो गलतफहमी रॉन्ग इम्प्रेशन हो जाता है किसी के बारे में, सो वी थिंक लाइक दैट. सो यू पीपुल्स इन द एज ऑफ सपोज बिलो 20 years एज, so in this particular age there is a maximum rotation of the negative thoughts in your mind. This is the effect of age. After 20 years you will find that slowly you will busy in your job or further education or further activities, the negative thoughts will go on releasing. So but this stage of your age from 16 to 20 years, you are having maximum negative thoughts in your mind. So you try to follow the instruction what I have given according to this particular content of syllabus. So you go for meditation, that is the best way. आधे घंटे रोज आप सुबह मेडिटेशन करिए. मेथड मैंने बता दी है. आँख बंद करके यू शुड कंसंट्रेट ऑन ब्रीदिंग ओनली. कंसंट्रेट ऑन ब्रीदिंग ओनली. So in half an hour if you could do successfully, then you will find that your whole day will be happy. Whole day you will be happy. बिकॉज ऑफ माइंड जो निगेटिविटीज थी मेडिटेशन से आपने सब बाहर कर दी. अब कोई निगेटिव थॉट्स आपको आ ही नहीं रहा दिन में, तो निगेटिव थॉट्स नहीं आ रहा है तो पॉजिटिव थॉट्स आ रहे हैं, तो यू विल बी हैप्पी. सो दिस इज द पर्टिकुलर मेडिसिन फॉर दैट. दैट्स व्हाई पीपल्स आर गोइंग फॉर मेडिटेशन. लाफ्टर थेरेपी जो लोगों ने शुरू किया. अब लाफ्टर थेरेपी में क्या होता है, कई बार आर्टिफिशियल लाफ्टर करने में उतना इफेक्ट नहीं होता जितना नेचुरल लाफ्टर में होता है. तो यू क्रिएट सम टाइम ऑफ जोक्स और सम टाइम्स ऑफ अदर एक्टिविटी इन विच ऑटोमेटिकली, जैसे ये कपिल शर्मा शो देखते हो आप, इसमें वो ट्राई टू रिड्यूस द रिलैक्सिंग द माइंड. सो दैट पर्टिकुलर शो it is created for that, and so this show become much popular because so many people in the world they are facing that problem of mental tension. So to release the mental tension, such type of light show or comedy show you can watch on the TV, so your mind will be happy by thinking for that half an hour or 1 hour time, whatever it may be. But if you are not having any type of such facility, then you have yourself, God has given you a lot of remedial solutions for all the problems are there in the universe. So in which meditation is one of the best problem. If nothing is available, you sit calm, simply sitting silent in a room and go for half an hour meditation by concentration on your breathing. Only this much to be done. So in all this subject, particular topic number 2, we have discussed the points teachers or expert will demonstrate techniques to the student, will practice techniques, and teachers expert will guide and supervise every student practice. अब ये प्रैक्टिस की बात कर रहा तो कौन सी प्रैक्टिस? जो मैंने अभी ये पूरे लेक्चर में आपको 2-4 चीज़ें बताई वो प्रैक्टिस है. तो इस प्रैक्टिस को आप सेल्फ कर सकते हैं, इसमें कोई टीचर की ज़रूरत नहीं है. कभी ज़रूरत पड़े तो मेरा ये वीडियो लेक्चर आप फिर से वॉच कर लीजिए. आधा घंटे का नॉर्मली मैं बनाता हूँ, अभी थोड़ा टाइम ज़्यादा हो रहा है तो मैं एक बार ब्रीफ कर देता हूँ. हेल्दी माइंड, निगेटिव कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ माइंड सच एज निगेटिव सेल्फ वर्थ, ये मैंने डिस्कस किया. एंजाइटी और डिप्रेशन के बारे में आपको बताया. वरीनेस जो होती है वो आपको बताई क्या होती है. जजमेंटल थॉट्स क्या होते हैं टूवर्ड्स अदर्स, दैट आई हैव डिस्कस. लेक ऑफ इनहेरेंट हैप्पीनेस, वो कहानी जो दो बच्चों की सुनाई मैंने, वो दिस बेस्ड ऑन द लेक ऑफ इनहेरेंट हैप्पीनेस पे है. मेथड टू रिड्यूस देम एंड नीड एंड बेनिफिट्स ऑफ माइंडफुलनेस. जैसे मैंने कहा कि खाली दिमाग से तन का, तो आप कभी भी खाली दिमाग से नहीं बैठे. देन मेडिटेशन प्रैक्टिस एंड मेथड ऑफ mindfulness and meditation. So these are all points given in this particular topic. I have given the techniques for removing this any type of these negative thoughts from your life. You enjoy life, you don't have tension of anything, either of your future career or whatever your study problem or whatever your social problems are there, family problems are there. Every problems come and their solution is there. So you always think that ये वक्त है, ये भी निकल जाएगा. ऐसा करके आप सोचेंगे कि किसी भी प्रॉब्लम के लिए, तो आप देखेंगे धीरे धीरे आपका वो प्रॉब्लम ठीक होते जाएगा ऑटोमेटिकली. योर थॉट्स आपने चेंज कर लिए तो. सो दिस इज ऑल फॉर टुडे. So I finish this lecture. All the points I have covered. So this is all for today. Thank you very much.